if you're going to build services for your citizens. You probably don't want to run a Chinese model on Western data because you won't understand, the culture and like the day-to-day usage, like the way people interact with each other, right? There are dependencies around infrastructure management. Obviously having an accelerator is good, but it's not easy to access it. So you need to have the platform, right, the access. The cloud provider provide an easy access, but most of the cloud providers today, they are American or Chinese. Yeah. So what do you do if you're a country that is a user? Maybe like India, you decide to invest heavily to building your own data center and your own like sovereign data center model to have access to your own acceleration. And if you are China, maybe the biggest difficulty you have is first, you are restricted from having access to the most advanced accelerator model. So you have to find alternative strategy, maybe using simpler model or optimization to actually deal with that restriction. And also there is the fact that a lot of the initial Gen AI is very much based on model trained on the internet, which is very much Western data. So the other aspect you have to deal with is what do you do around building models that are close in terms of language, culture, usage to what you want as a country if you're going to build services for your citizens. You probably don't want to run a Chinese model on Western data because you won't understand, the culture and like the day-to-day usage and like the way people interact with each other, right? So it's a very interesting topic because I think every country has to kind of build its own path. And it means something different because they have different resources and different perspectives and restrictions as well.